Hello, guys. Welcome to yet another interesting episode. Today, we are not talking about Canada. I am bringing to your notice a fake foreign job alert. Fake foreign jobs alert so that you don't fall prey to these scammers. Currently, thousands of people all over Africa have been played. Thousands of people all over Africa have been scammed. Stay with me on this video so that I can bring to your notice of what is currently trending. This one is not one of my usual videos, but because I have decided to always do what is right since the day I was born. I was raised that way, which is the reason why I am doing what I'm doing right now. I will make sure that people who wants to jackpot, people who wants to travel, don't fall prey to scammers. If this is something you want to know so that you don't fall prey to these bad guys, feel free to ride with me on this video. So if you are just coming across my channel for the very first time, if you are a new subscriber, my name is Noxacomedy, the man with the remedy. And if you are here and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. A lot is happening here. Over here, I keep it real. I bring information to you undiluted. Right here, I don't sugarcoat nothing. And also don't forget, I'm the king of informative comedy right here in the United States of America. Pow, pow. You understand, right? So now, there is this fake job that is trending all over Africa as we speak. As you can see on my screen, Horizon Gold Corporation and QNet. I want to call on these two companies. Please, a lot of people in Africa are scamming people with your companies. Please, I know it's not you, but people have decided to use your company's name and logo to be collecting money from Africans who are desperately to work abroad. Please, QNet and Horizon Gold Corporation, please make sure you see to the end of this. Now, somebody will tell you, oh, first of all, they start like this. They have a Burkina Faso number because currently this business is currently booming for these scammers in Benin Republic, Ghana, Mauritius, Burkina Faso. This is where this business is currently booming, and they are taking Nigerians from Nigeria down to these countries. They are taking Ghanaians down to these countries. They are taking Cameroonians, Togolese, people from Benin Republic, Senegalese, Sierra Leoneans, Liberians, Ugandans, Kenyans, Zambia, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Angola. They are taking people to these places, promising them that there is job. There is no job waiting for you. It is a scam. It is a human Ponzi scheme. We all remember MMM. MMM was a financial Ponzi scheme. It was a scam. This time around, these people are using humans. They are MMMing all of them. I will give you the gist how it's done so that when they sell this narrative to you, block them. They are scams. Now they will tell you, oh, there is a job in these countries, a factory job, gold mining job, a company work. They are looking for factory workers. They are manufacturing companies. They will even print fake letterhead and send it to you. Signed. You'll be thinking it's real. It's a scam. Now, when they reach out to you, They will test you with Burkina Faso number. It's usually on through WhatsApp. As you can see on your screen, these are some of the DPs. These are some of the pictures they use on their WhatsApp DPs. You will be thinking they are working in one factory in Benin Republic, in Ghana, in Mauritius, in Burkina Faso. It's a lie. This very company, QNet and Horizon Gold Corporation, I don't think they are even aware that these people are scamming Africans. I have lots of videos, like you can see on your screen. This is a video of people who are stranded currently in Burkina Faso. What will happen? They will promise you job. They will tell you they are currently recruiting in any of these countries. They will charge you how much you will pay. They will tell you when you get there to this country, they will be paying you either $200 a week or $400 in 2 weeks. It is a lie. It is a scam. Don't fall for it. Now, when you leave your home and you are going to Burkina Faso, because the payment can happen either ways. You can pay the person that is giving you this so-called non-existing job that you think is existing. You can pay this person. You can pay this person before you leave home to these countries, or you can get there before you pay. Like this video on your screen, this is in Burkina Faso. These people are stranded. Many of them are stranded. Many of them are even being monitored. If they go to the restroom, they follow them. If they go to the bathroom, somebody follows them. If they go and urinate outside, somebody will follow them. I don't know which kind of settings be this. I have receipts, videos, pictures on my phone. I decided to make this video to alert you guys. Don't fall for it. Now, when you get to, let me just talk of Burkina Faso, because this update, I have over 50 people who have reached out to me from Burkina Faso. Many of them are stranded. Now, when you get to Burkina Faso, normally from the border, you can get a SIM card, a Burkina Faso SIM card. They call it orange. I think that's the color of the SIM card or something. You will not register the SIM card. When you now enter this lion's den, where these scammers, where these fraudsters who are telling you they are offering you a factory job in Burkina Faso, people from other African countries are currently there. In that video I just showed you, not just Nigerians. We have Nigerians, Ghanaians, Kenyans, Ugandans, Cameroonians, Togolese, just like that. After then, when you get to the house, they will not ask you for your SIM card, and they will tell you not to make calls from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Because if you are able to still make call at that time, people you will be calling will be thinking you are not really working. So they want to make you pretend that you are working really in a factory. This is how they do it. When you land there, after they must have collected this SIM from you, they will tell you the registration you did, the SIM registration you did is not authentic. They want to help you register this SIM in a correct way. It's a lie. They are simply collecting that SIM from you so that you can't access any call from home and you cannot call home. They don't want you to tell anybody the horrible experience you are going through. I don't know why they are doing this. I said I have over 50 people on my WhatsApp who have reached out to me telling me they are in trouble. They are stranded. They cannot allow them leave. They are holding many of them there against their will, currently in Burkina Faso. Now, if you go there, if that person that will bring you from your country, that person doesn't have a job there, that person was also tricked to Burkina Faso or Benin Republic or Mauritius. Once you land there, they will not give the person that lured you there commission for bringing you. All of you, there is no job for you in that country. These jobs they have promised you, they are scams. There is no job existing anywhere, no factory job existing anywhere. They are just using this company's name to scam people. Before you will be there. Oh, the small money you went there with, you'll be feeding yourself. Or eventually, you'll be stranded. You will not need to lure other people from other countries down to Burkina Faso, Benin Republic, or Mauritius, where you are. So when you lure like 2 people to this country, to the camp from your country, they will not pay you commission because of this people you have lured. You are being given commission based on how many people you lure to this their business. So these people you have lured now, they don't have money, they will be stranded. For these people to get paid a commission, they will need to lure other people from other countries down to this country. That is human Ponzi scheme. My WhatsApp is filled with receipts. It is very, very obvious that Oyibo is not our problem. Black man is the biggest problem that black man has. Even after all this, there is a pastor currently in Burkina Faso. This pastor went there in search of a job, just like the way they are selling this fake narrative to other people. When the pastor got there, he saw that the stories, the dream they sold to him were all lies. He became stranded too. As I speak to you, this pastor is currently luring his church members down to Burkina Faso. A pastor currently luring his church members down to Burkina Faso so that he can be giving commissions. And he has been collecting commission based on the members he has lured down to Burkina Faso. And those his members are currently stranded in Burkina Faso. So for those ones to be able to have money to go back home, they will need to lure other people down to Burkina Faso and they will be giving commissions. Maybe with that commission, if they decided to go, they can be able to go. If these people will allow them. Just imagine. People from Nigeria who went, some said they paid between 700 and 800,000 naira for these jobs. Somebody just told you enter road with motor or take plane going to Burkina Faso, going to Benin Republic, going to Mauritius for a job you don't know if it's existing. Please, when somebody promise you a job somewhere, try to do your research. Many of you can watch comedy videos, movies from morning till night. Many of you can go online, insulting people online, cursing people online with your data. You cannot do research for what will benefit you. I just say, make I bring this thing come on notice. Wherever you are not sure of, wherever you don't have facts about, be careful. Someone might just be luring you into a trap. My name is Noxacomedy. Till I see you in my next video, don't fall prey to all these scam jobs. I love you guys. Have a good one.